was a cutoff. Yeah, Jesus Christ, kids. Come on. Let's go. Wake up. Destination. Direct to the left lane. Oh my god, this is a Jeep or a Toyota. It's totally unnecessary, whoever the hell you are. And wasn't even exiting. Yeah! Yeah, go that way. What are you doing? Okay. Dimwit exit dive. Cut off in an exit dive. Dum dum. Thank you. And keeping to himself, he plays the game. Whoa! Jesus, H. Wow. Wowza, wowza, huh? Pick up around the red light. Yellow. Red. And the Nissan ran the red. Yep. Could you pretend there was a stop sign there? Oh, look, someone ran the red. Hey-oh! That's a dive for ya. Stop. A little faster, lady. A little fucking faster, will you? Don't stare at me, for Christ's sakes. Ah, nice cut off. I think you were in the red. You definitely ran the red. You're in the no stopping zone. Press stereo dive. Hi, we're coming, hello? Yeah, it's a stop sign, and you ran it. How about yielding? No, I guess not. Pass fail. Hey, hey! The carrot! I swear, some people use their turn signal level like a billy club. What are you stopping for? They have to yield, admit to it. Yield. Thank you. I guess no one wants to stop. Hey! Pay attention, princess. Off my butt, lady. Holy shit! Yay! It's time. We're in the red. Thank you. Toyota Deluxe.
All night, fall asleep, stay asleep. Kevin Bennett, WBZ's traffic on the 3s.
All right, Kevin, and we do have a small craft advisory.
Bay State Exteriors. Stop, not a stop. Hello, Volvo scum, that's not a driving lane. Thanks, douche! Yeah, fuck you. Happy. Now you gonna cut him off, or are you gonna exit dive because you're a scumbag? He's gonna exit dive because he's a scumbag. Asshole. Which one again? He's gonna go up and jump the queue. Yeah. Jumping the queue. Scumbag. Get off my ass. Go Hyundai, go Hyundai, go Hyundai, go Hyundai, go Hyundai. This is one lane, you shit stain. And that's a stop sign. Go back to Pennsylvania. Okay, be sure to stop, be sure to stop, be sure to stop, be sure to stop. No!